welcome to my first video. And today I'm with my cousin and my sister.
Hi. Today we're going to be making slime.
We're going to see who can make the stretchiest, most pokeable, most swirl thing, and most crack thing.
Okay.
So
we have shaving foam and
No shaving cream.
it's shaving foam. We have glue.
A bottle of glue.
we wasted, sorry.
And Tide. She's gonna go get the bowls, and then we also have spoons to mix with.
And forks.
It's just
We
if
have
you want.
forks
Yeah.
if you want it.
So right now, Rebecca's here. I'm Dianara. She's Rebecca, her sister. So she's gonna be getting some bowls so we can make the slime in. Okay.
So we're gonna add glue. Now we're pouring the glue in. It's time to add the shaving cream. We're pouring the shaving cream. Time to knead. Now we're gonna mix.
Now we're gonna add some lotion.
We're mixing. Now we're gonna add activator.
Add little by little.
Mix by little by little.
We're mixing.
Now we're gonna add color and foam.
So we changed our setting because it was a bad lighting. So now that we're done adding our blue food coloring and our foam, we're gonna get up close and personal and do some ASMR. This is Emily's slime. This is Dianara's slime. This is Rebecca's slime.
Please give a like.
Please subscribe.
And comment down below which slime did you like the most.
Bye!